There is something almost mythical about the waters of Greece. The Aegean and Ionian seas stretch out in shades of deep sapphire and turquoise, dotted with over 6,000 islands and islets, each carrying its own story, its own rhythm, its own charm. For centuries, sailors have been drawn to these waters, and today that same pull is felt by travelers from every corner of the world. Sailing through Greece is not simply a vacation. It is an experience that connects you to something ancient, something raw, and something deeply human. The wind fills the sails, the salt air brushes your face, and suddenly the world feels both vast and intimate at the same time. Greece offers an extraordinary variety of sailing routes, each with its own personality. The Cyclades, home to iconic destinations like Santorini, Mykonos, and Paros, is perhaps the most popular sailing region in the country. The islands sit relatively close together, making island hopping both practical and rewarding. The Dodecanese, on the other hand, offers a more rugged and historically rich experience, with Rhodes and Patmos standing out as must-visit stops. For those seeking a quieter, more unspoiled journey, the Ionian islands, including Corfu, Lefkada, and Kefalonia, offer calmer waters and lush green landscapes that feel almost entirely different from the dry, sun-bleached Cyclades. The Saronic Gulf is ideal for sailors who want to explore beautiful destinations without venturing too far from Athens, making it a perfect choice for shorter trips or first-time sailors in Greece. One of the great things about sailing in Greece is that it caters to virtually every type of traveller. If you are an experienced sailor, you can charter a bareboat, meaning you rent the vessel and navigate entirely on your own terms. This gives you complete freedom to set your own pace, choose your own anchorages, and truly live by the sea. If you prefer a more guided experience, a skippered charter comes with a professional captain who handles the navigation while you simply enjoy the journey. For those who want a fully immersive experience without any responsibility, a crewed yacht comes with a full team, including a captain, a chef, and additional crew members who take care of everything from sailing the boat to preparing fresh meals on board. There are also flotilla sailing holidays where a group of boats sails together along a set route, with a lead boat providing guidance and support throughout the trip. Life on a sailing boat in Greece quickly settles into a beautiful routine. Mornings begin with the gentle rocking of the boat and the sound of water lapping against the hull. Breakfast is often enjoyed in a quiet cove before the anchor is lifted and the day's sailing begins. Afternoons are spent gliding between islands, swimming in hidden bays and exploring small fishing villages that rarely appear in mainstream travel guides. Evenings bring the boat into a marina or a sheltered harbour where fresh seafood, local wine, and the company of fellow sailors create memories that last a lifetime. The simplicity of life on the water has a way of stripping away the noise of everyday life and replacing it with something far more meaningful. The best time to sail in Greece is between late April and early October, with June, July, and August being the peak months for both weather and activity. The Meltemi wind, which blows strongly across the Aegean during summer, is something every sailor should be aware of. It can create challenging conditions for beginners but is beloved by experienced sailors for the exhilarating rides it provides. Booking in advance is strongly recommended, especially for the summer months when demand for charter boats is at its highest. Most charter companies are based in Athens, Corfu, Rhodes and Kos, offering a wide range of vessels from compact monohulls to spacious catamarans. Whether you are planning a week-long adventure or a 2-week odyssey across multiple island groups, sailing in Greece delivers an experience that is genuinely unlike anything else in the world. The sea is waiting, and it has been waiting for a very long time.